going on, YouTube? We are gonna put this transmission back together, changing out the planetaries. Got a 186 first gear and a 131 second. I've been running the stock ones the whole time, so it's just a quick time lapse. We're gonna get this knocked out today, try to get the transmission back in tomorrow, and then hopefully go racing this weekend and go test it out. So like I said, little time lapse. Enjoy. There it goes. The struggle. The struggle. Alright, she's getting close. My buddy ran home to get see about a thinner washer. We got the pump all put back together. Gotta put the valve body on, and she should be ready to start putting back in the car. A lot of fighting. Well, still got to double check to see how this park's gonna work with the different planetary drum or planetary gear set. To give you this piece, and it kind of extends it up a little bit. Just gotta make sure that the park doesn't hang up. As long as that goes smooth, then my bench will be clean again. There's old planetary. We're still running the stock one, which to some people's surprise, the stock one will handle a lot of power. So they'll wear out, but you don't normally break them. All right, so she's all back together. I gotta work in the morning, so yeah, no, I ain't putting it in tonight, but she'll be going in tomorrow.